Our next contestant number 16, Sugandhi Hitanshi. If only I were a smartphone. If only I were a smartphone. Sugandhi Hitanshi.
A smartphone. That is what I truly wish to be. Why the confused looks? Oh, now I know. You must be wondering why a smartphone and why not anything else. Well, before I start explaining, let me introduce myself. I am Hitanshi Sugandhi from Unity Primary School. A smartphone. Yes, you heard it absolutely right. That is what I truly wish to be. By now, you should have also realized that I have taken over the world. Nowadays, adults to children cannot stop using me. You would be busy exploring my apps the whole day. Yes, I mean it. The whole day. I would be so loved, so longed for, so I would be stared at, smiled at, scrolled by you until you found what you wanted. And best of all, you would even cheerfully laugh at the videos you would watch on me. Wouldn't that be great? I would be in hands being used all the time, day and night, and even in the toilet. If I were not in your hands, I would be hung around you via a lanyard or even be kept in your pocket. Wow, where else would anyone or anything on earth get that much love as much as I would get? Oh no, where's my smartphone? Where did I keep it? What will I do with it? It was right behind me and I didn't notice it. Wow, I'm so silly. So looking at this, how many of you have experienced misplacing your expensive smartphone before, even if it's for a short while? A raise of hands, please. Thank you. That is when I would catch the most attention from you as my owners, as you would be worried and panicking after realizing that your expensive smartphone is not with you. Isn't that right? I would be a natural magician. Like I would have the ability to hypnotize you to attract all your attention towards me and only me. Is that all? No way. There's a lot more. You would store money inside my e-wallets. Nobody would be richer than me. You would pay with contactless credit cards while having no fear of losing your original cards at the same time. Along with that, some of you would shop online, saving the time and effort put in to go to the shops and buy from there. Some of you would love to play dress up with me by changing my dresses regularly to adding new accessories to me, despite the cost. Each one would be more beautiful than the previous one. Another thing, being Miss Know-It-All would be just amazing. I would be incredibly wise and knowledgeable that I would know absolutely everything. Just one click and I would get an answer to your questions. Having said that, a smartphone is what I wish to be. Would you like to join me? Thank you.